Quick info before the video. If you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to place buy or long order on Hyperliquid. First, let's go to app.hyperliquid.xyz. Make sure you have USDC on your Perps account. Now, let's click on the current symbol, and let's go with Solana just as an example. Now on the right side, let's change margin mode to isolated, as I prefer this one. Next button is leverage amount. Let's change it to lower one. I will go with 5x and confirm. Now make sure you use buy long side. I will also use the market option. Use the slider to choose how much USDC you want to use with this position. And after you are ready, click on place order. Success. We have opened long position. Now if you want to close it, go to position section and click on market. Here make sure slider is on 100%. And after you are ready, click on market close. And we have closed this position. Now you know how to open long position or close it on Hyperliquid. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.